Hey, what's up, guys? So today I traded a couple of different stocks. I did some NIO, not really clean. Took it on the short side on the pop because it was down pretty big, holding this level. Looked like it was losing it. On the pop, I was short bias, took it on the short side, but I got out too quickly because it was just hanging around here. You saw it was hanging around here for quite a bit, and there was a previous day level here, so took it on the short side, covered pretty quickly. On the dropped here, I took it back on the long side, but as it hit here, it sort of struggled, so I got all out. And then it ripped a bit higher, and then I kind of tried to scalp it a few times here, but no luck. It looked like he finally made it down and then got back to VWAP, but it's kind of choppy, so that was another stock, so didn't do anything to that. SQ, I kind of traded this not so well today. So I took it on the short side, got stopped out, took it on the short side again, added to it, and then I covered, short, stopped out again. And this time finally I got a good run out of this. I went short, I covered, and then here it was holding, so I took it on the long side, got out, and then here's where I made the mistake of adding back in, and then I added once more down here at VWAP, and then finally when it bounced here, I saw that there's a level here, so I added more to it, and then finally I just got all out. I got sick of it. I was hoping this would make another run. I think the mistake I made here is the fact that the stock was, it started pretty low at 254. I was looking at the ATR, that's when I took my shorts, and that's when I also took my long. I saw that it was, the ATR for this is about like $12, $13. Went up like $8-9. There might be more room to run, so down here I took it again. But I neglected to look at the fact that the stock actually opened at 254, not necessarily changed from a previous day close, which is down here at 258. So there's another $4 difference. So it did make its ATR run. So that's why I should have gone heavier on the short side, maybe not so much going in as quickly as I did on the long side. So that was my mistake there. JKS dropped really badly. This is like some solar company or whatnot. It gapped down. So again, because it was below all these levels, once it made the gap fill, I'm pretty short bias on this stock. So on the way up, I basically shorted every pop. Up here, it popped, took it on the short side, it dropped, I covered, took it on the short side again. It didn't look like it was going to do much, so I covered and got out. Took on the short side, stopped out. Short side, this time because it's getting close to several levels. Up here, it just got up here, got rejected this Morningstar, so I was pretty short bias on it. Took it on the short side, added to it, added some more. On the drop, I just covered everything. And then up here, oh, by the way, and this is the rationale for taking it on the short side because of this moving average and then the previous day levels and so forth. So I started to add in pretty aggressively and heavily up here. And so on the drop, I covered everything. Because now, what I didn't like, the reason I covered everything down here is because it's sitting on this moving average, so I don't want this to be a level of support. But I was comfortable taking it here. I had some levels up here to take on the short side up here as well on the $40 mark. But because I had a pretty good day, it is a Friday, I didn't want to overtrade. It's getting up on the ticket numbers as well. So yeah, so that's pretty much pretty much it for my day. So hope you guys do well, and peace out.